But it is not coming. Skipped row, one row skipped. Right row, no. Oh, why it is not coming? Where is your header? Close it. I opened it again. I opened it again. Just we choose. Why it is not showing properly? Hmm. Why it is not showing properly?
The header need to be so in the above as well here.
Adaptable schema. Why adaptable schema?
What is the meaning of the star, sir, in the right side? Star and the dash. What is the meaning of that?
Star? Where is star?
This side, right side, just near to the field name, upside, right up in the same screen. Field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, field 6, and then star.
Oh, if you want to add a new field. Star means you can add more fields here.
How can I add, sir, in there? By clicking over there?
Yes, it's field 7, field 8, field 9.
Okay. So in that, how after adding that field, how can I give the header name?
You have not created properly. We will create it again. Hardy.csv. Okay, suppose new, click on new, file name suppose Hardik1 and file name
Desktop. HARDI.
all files Hardik.
Not that, sir.
This
HAR,
is
yeah.
Hardik.
HARDI.
And now you choose skip header. Yes.
So we do not give to,
Okay.
we do not need to give root directory.
No,
When we need to give, sir, root directory.
it is up to you. You can choose folder and then file. You direct choose file. It's no
Okay.
problem. But now it is done. See, header comes. I choose here skip row header. It is done.
Okay. But I tried 2 times
And
and the same problem occurred.
okay, you try again. I will
Okay.
I will create it again. See, it's very simple. File name.
So in this where we need to work in this while creating a file format, where we generally need to work, like root directory, file name,
File name, mainly file name. File name is important. Na?
and the,
See, it comes automatically.
mhm,
है ना?
okay. So skip row header one. And what is the meaning of this, sir?
Hmm.
Right row header.
If you want to write a header, it is not important. There are so many options. See, but when you create something, okay. So you create it properly. You create it again, no problem.
And sir, in this,
And
can we combine two file of flat file? Like yesterday we have done an SQL file as well as a flat file. So
yes,
in general, we can do
you
the
can
flat
do.
file as well, combination of two flat files having same structure.
You can do. Yes, yes, you can do. No problem. It's very simple.
Okay.
It's very simple. There is a one file. You can drag and drop another file. You can you can add so many files. No problem.
But the structure should be same.
Yes.
And sir, in the same, the structure is same, but in the two different file, it is having two extra columns, two extra fields. In that case, what will happen? That will be showing in the final result or not?
Extra columns will not show in the final result.
Okay. Only the matching column real will be updated in the HANA database.
Hmm.
And if I want that extra column should also be added in the HANA database, then it won't.
Yes, you can add the you can you can do it at the end. There is so many techniques, but you have only one flat file, na Hardik.
Okay.
You have only one flat file.
Okay, I understand, sir. But my concern is that I'm having Hardik file. I'm having Darshan file. In Darshan, I'm having one more extra columns with which is not matching with Hardik. Yeah, and I'm having table. I'm having another flat file which name X. X is having two extra column. One is matching with the Hardik, but not matching with Darshan. So in that case, what happens?
See, if I create a one file, it you can you can load it uh, by smartly. Okay, I'm explaining you. You can do it. You can do it on the header row. Yes. Here is a customer ID, customer name, product, country, price, quantity. You can create one more file. Okay, you can create one more file later. Save and close. This is a Hardik one.
Okay,
You can create one more file. This is
customer ID, customer name. Caller.
Hardik 2 CS3.
Sir, in this I want one more column.
And there is a one more thing. Suppose you have a one more column. Suppose
Let's go for the product color
region.
region. Okay.
Suppose region. I'm creating a Hardik 2 header. Yes. So we have created header 1 and header 2. In that case, this is 1 source, 2 source, and transformation. Transformation, you choose merge map here, and you can see here is no region.
Yes, sir. So matching column will be drag and drop.
Hmm. Yes, matching columns will drag and drop. No extra column is here. You can do one thing. Region region varchar 7. You can do one thing. In that case, uh, delete query transformation. Product name, country, price, quantity. You can create a one more column here. The column name is region.
How to enter, sir,
Is
column?
varchar. Create new output column. Varchar 7. This is region. You can save it.
So can you once show me, sir, how you have created the column? I mean, where you
Just
clear?
right click.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
right click and new output column.
Okay. New output column and now output schema. Is there a difference, sir, in that?
Error.
New output column and new output
You
schema?
need to select input schema. Yes, but it is not creating successfully. It is showing some error. The output column region is not connected. Region is not mapped.
because there is no mapping here region.
Hmm. I select it. It is optional. I select it. It is optional. It is not compulsory,
Okay.
mandatory column. So I just back it. Now, if I click on merge,
So we need to save that or not,
then
sir? After creating a region,
save,
we need to
save,
save
save.
and then we need to go
Yes.
back.
Hmm. And this is your this is but in the target all fields should be there, no?
Yeah, it should be there because you have created there in Hardik one as well. You have created.
You should have created new column region and it will work. Region. I know, Kimball. And now I'm opening Hana and add a new column.
Hello.
Yes, I'm opening Hana
So it means before
and
creating
this
any
file.
table,
Where is
HAR, Hardik,
hmm?
HAR,
Schema.
yeah, Hardik,
Schema
HARD,
name
Hardik,
uh,
no Darshan,
Darshan or Hardik?
Hardik,
I
H,
think so. See, if I see here, schema is
because I
uh,
created a Hardik project, yeah, I
Darshan.
have created separate. You can check the table in the
Okay,
Darshan as well. I believe it is not over there. In
okay.
Darshan, table is,
See, Darshan Har.
yeah, okay, sorry,
This is
I'm sorry.
because here is mentioned na Darshan. Okay, okay.
How you
So
find, okay,
uh, it here it is mentioned na
where's it?
Darshan
Okay,
Har
Darshan
Har
underscore Han, okay,
Darshan Har.
okay, so it will say the name as well.
So yes, if I check it, description Har uh, describe Har. Okay, select select star from heart. It is showing quantity. We should add a new field. Alter table heart. Add region measure 7. Now we have added a region here, we have added a region here, and I will close it again. Okay, where is this schema version? This is Darshan Hana. In the Darshan Hana, this is hard table. You can re-import it. Re-import means if you change some structure activity,
Mm-hmm.
then you can re-import it.
But just right click and re-import.
Yes, yes. Just right click and re-import. So the structure will be reflect automatically. See, I will remove it and add it again. This has target, make target, and the query. This is the query window region. So you should add all these things: quantity with quantity, price with price, quantity with quantity, remap, country with country, remap, product name with product name, customer name with customer name, country name with customer ID. Okay, now save it and execute it. Now it is completed successfully. You can check all comes. So so you add extra field here, right?
Okay, so we need to before moving with the BODS, we need to check the columns, fields in both the flat
Hmm.
files, whether it is a flat file
Hmm.
or whether it is a SQL table. We need to check
Yes.
it out. How many
Yes.
fields are there? And according to that, we need to
Hmm.
create a structure in the HANA.
Yes.
If in flat file 1 it is having 3 columns, in flat file 2 it is having 4 columns, then the fourth one
Hmm.
structure should be there in the HANA as well.
Hmm.
And as well as you should must take care that the in flat file 1 it should also have the same structure, means the same fourth column, but it should not have the data, but it should have the name field.
Yes.
Okay, so
Field
quite
should be there.
it should be
Yes.
quite time consuming and quite different, isn't it?
But it solve all problems.
Yeah, no, because this is a
You
small case,
have no. Hmm.
because
Hmm.
these are the example that there is
We
no
have
issue. In real time,
yes.
there
We
will be
have
huge
no
data
other
and
solution.
too many columns. in that case it will be very difficult, yes sir, because we need
Hmm.
to.
But but it's a good solution. Without this solution, we can't do.
Okay,
Without this, we can't do.
okay, fine.
So similarly, um, if you go to the SAP logon, so just a minute.
Hello.
Yes. So here is so Vikram.
Yes sir.
Uh, can we can we continue this class on next time?
Okay, now I will.
Because
Mhm.
I have to go to my doctor.
Okay, sir, can we continue in the evening, today evening?
Evening, not sure. I will update you.
Okay,
And but morning is sure. I will update you.
at what time? Morning.
Morning, uh, 7. I will try for 7 a.m.
Because today also we scheduled for 7, but it was not possible from the your end.
Actually, I was feeling well now, so that's why I was late.
Okay, fine. So you can try for the evening so that because you know the reason why I am saying.
Yes, yes, I know, Vikram. I want to finish it soon.
Yeah, that's the reason. Anyway, so because this is time I'm quite free, so I can give more time whenever you want. Because from after this Tuesday, I won't be convenient for me to take the class in the morning time, your timing, because I'll be at work and the disturbance will be there. That's the reason I just more focus these days.
Hmm. Yes, Vikram. So, okay. So we will continue next class, right? Oh,
Fine. So if tomorrow at what time, sir? 7?
7. Yes,
Okay,
7 is
then
fine.
we'll be
It
there at
okay.
7 then. I will wait for your update.